Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you why I roll before cutting in when doing interior wall painting. Let me know in the comments whether you roll first or cut in first and why. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to give you some quick tips on rolling out a wall and cutting in a wall. To the channel, my name's Paul and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. If you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, and painting game, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification to get alerted whenever I post a new video. Let's get into this video. This is the first video in a playlist series where I'm going to show you how to paint a room from start to finish. So I wanted to show you after I roll out the first coat. We have not cut in yet. There's nothing wrong with going ahead and getting your first coat of roller on the wall, and then the cut-in person can come back behind me and cut this in. I like to do it this way because it saves time, because everybody's not guessing where you can get with the roller and where you can't. So this is how we do it. You can get pretty tight with the roller. This is all with just the roller. This is an orange peel texture on the walls. I'm using a 3/4 inch nap. Could use a 1/2 inch or a 3/8, but I like the 3/4. Had a couple little repairs here, puts another stimple back on those. Had a repair from the doorknob over here. Again, that's just rolled out. Has not been cut in for the first coat yet. Let me know in the comments if you're a DIYer, a contractor, painter, handyman. Just kind of curious. Using a 5-gallon bucket, paint grid, and a roller. I'm using this 4-foot extension pole for the big areas. And then I'm using this shorty, it's a 24-inch to get up high when I'm on the ladder, or if there's furniture in the way, you can just switch to the smaller roller handle. All right, we'll show you some tips and tricks coming up. All right, so what I like to do is get a good amount of paint on the roller and basically make an M or a W depending on how you're rolling out. Then as you roll through it, it keeps grabbing a good amount of paint and spreads it evenly over the wall. I'm using a 5-gallon bucket and a roller grid to get the paint on the roller. Again, there's my M or N, and I'm using that paint to work it throughout the wall. Now once I get to the bottom, I'm gonna roll out this whole area so it's all consistent and no roller lines or anything. I usually don't take any phone jack or cable box plates off. I just roll around those and then we'll cut in around them. I do take the outlet covers off and switch plates off. So I just try and get tight or pretty tight for the cut-in person. Now I'm just going to roll out the whole wall in this area. Again, I try and get close to the ceiling and close to the baseboards, but you definitely don't want to touch the ceiling or baseboards with the roller. Three-inch purdy, straight brush, dab and tap method. Dab in the paint, you don't want to put too much on. Just tap it, keep Good amount of paint on the brush. Okay, I'm gonna stroke this out and leave a bead at the top. That gets worked in. Now you wanna just, don't flip your brush. Come right back the opposite direction, but keeping your brush the same, and it fills perfectly. I'll also show you how to make that darker color go away on the ceiling, so stay tuned. And if you want to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to hit that round icon in the middle of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. If you've got a friend that's a contractor or DIYer, be sure to share this video with them on Facebook or Twitter. Thanks so much for watching. There's more of my most popular video links down below in the description.